Hi guys, good morning. So this is Paul Damon here, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the U.S. market in real estate and the potential impact of real estate here in Nicaragua. So this was based on a question that we received recently on our YouTube channel. So the question was, well, what impact will this have to Nicaragua? It all depends how you want to look at it. So what is happening in the U.S. is there has been a significant decline both in listings coming to the market, the number of buyers on the market, so prices have dropped, okay? In some areas they have dropped significantly, 10, 15, 20%. That is significant in the U.S. market, okay? So we also have seen that the mortgage interest rate has gone up from where it was, let's say 2%. Now we're seeing 4, 5, 6% interest rates. So, if you compare it to Nicaragua, you go, well, that's a pretty good interest rate. But in the U.S. market, that is not so good anymore. And therefore, people that were thinking of buying a house in, let's say, $200,000, and because of the increase in the interest rate, now they need to be happy that they can buy a house in the 140 because of the difference in interest rate and mortgage payment per month. So what I see, so the impact is a personal impact. So if you have a property that you want to sell, and you were hoping on the upper end, that's what we always hope as a seller, to get the upper top dollar, is that, let's say you were expecting to sell at around 300 and now you're getting anywhere from 225 to 250. So you lost a gain of $50,000 gross because you still have to pay some payments like commissions, that you're going to have to pay closing costs, everything else, okay? So that is impacting your ability to buy a larger home or the forever home you were thinking of buying here in Nicaragua. So that impact of a downturn of $50,000 means that you will have to either change your lifestyle or change a little bit of what you really wanted in your dream home. The other thing that is happening is that people are feeling now kind of skittish of buying a property because they believe that the market is either going to go down further or there are going to be additional changes in the market. So mortgage interest, of course, has no impact here in Nicaragua. Well, I shouldn't say it doesn't have an impact. It does have an impact because if you are trying to get a second mortgage or the equity on your home and use that to buy a home here, that equity, the number of dollars you're going to get is a lot less. Plus the interest rate is going to be higher, okay? So again, let's say you had 200,000 equity. Now you only have 150,000 equity. That means lesser home to be bought here in Nicaragua. Our properties here in Nicaragua have not seen a fluctuation downward since the U.S. went down in the last, let's say, 6 months or so, because we are kind of separated from that market, right? And we were already quite a bit down because of 2018, because of COVID, etc. The other thing that I'm starting to notice an impact is, we are now in the first week of November, and of course, we should have seen more visitors coming to Nicaragua, what we call the snowbirds. I haven't really seen a lot, but I do know the following. Our market for rentals is very, very, very tight. Granada, in the pool that we work with in marketing, that pool right now is at 90% occupied, okay? Occupied or going to be occupied in the next few weeks. This year we have seen less snowbirds coming in October, and so the prediction is because of how much property is rented that the snowbirds will be coming in November, December. Okay, so that's one. The other one that we have noticed, of course, is San Juan del Sur and the whole market, the Chocolata Ostional market. We have seen also a very, very, very tight market in the rental pool, okay? So now people are saying, you know, can you find me something like a 2-bedroom? Very tough. Can you find it in $500? Very tough. So one thing that a lot of us don't do is plan ahead and reserve based on your forward-looking plan, okay? My question to you, have you done your plan for Christmas? We did that already 3 months ago. Reserve to get the maximum price and the best property and at the best location. So if you plan, your dollar is going to be less than if you wait till the last minute. And of course, last minute, you're not going to find that dream home that you want to rent or buy, okay? So in general, what I want to leave you with is that the market in the U.S. will impact some people. It all depends what is your situation. I mean, you already sold it, you're living in an apartment, then you're in a different situation than those that need to get in the sales of their home, okay? So if you're selling your home, you're going to get less money. Since you're getting less money, you have less money to invest for retirement, or you have less money to buy your dream home or build or buy a piece of land, whatever that is. So as always, if you have any questions about real estate, you know where to call. For sure, we would appreciate a call. Give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments, hey, I would like to know more about this or that, you know what to do. Leave it below and we'll answer it. Take care. Have an awesome day.